we are staring at a global economic slowdown because a lot of strains in the world alliances as well as consequence bearing geopolitical moves are happening all at the same time. The starting point, of course, was the reciprocal tariff move by the US, but yesterday even China retaliated and imposed 34% additional tariff on US goods. As if that was not enough, the crude oil fell 6% overnight on the back of a slowdown probability, coupled with the OPEC Plus deciding to increase the oil production almost 3 times of what the market expected. Oil company shares all over the world and even within India slid as if they were sliding on an oily slope. A full video on 3 factors that triggered the oil fall will be put up on my YouTube channel. See, when the tariffs are higher, the trade goes down because the imposition of tariffs makes the goods costlier, and so the demand will go down. And when the demand goes down, naturally importers will import lesser quantity. The source country will start manufacturing lesser. When lesser number of shipments have to be transported, the route demand is lower. The fuel and oil requirement for both travel and manufacturing capabilities is also lower. When manufacturing goes down, jobs are lost, consumers' buying power goes down, and again the demand for goods goes further down, and so this entire cycle is repeated. So if more countries decide to retaliate against the US tariffs and OPEC plus countries also do not go back on their decisions, this combined can lead to a huge global recession.